Hey my good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mercy here. So on today's video I am going to show you how my daughter is sewing. She's making adjustments to her Dera. Shosho wants it tighter, so she taught herself how to sew, so she's doing the repairs. I'll turn my camera around and they are already at work. She did not have chalk, so she improvised with her what do you call that makeup kit? The eyeshadow. She used the white eyeshadow to make the markings of where she's gonna sew, minimize the data, and she's getting to work. So what are you trying to do, Sandra? So that one side doesn't end up being too big and the other one small. Okay. Oh, you got the sewing kit? I have some more yarn in there.
Hata tu taarifa ya chini, but hiyo katika I'm gonna be seeing that it's not intentional because I'm listening to you. Peleka tu pole pole, so that make sure going itakuja kukaa hapa. Let's start again. Good, let's make up.
Measure.
No, that's just one half.
Fanya one side.
Fanya one side, I'm gonna do the other side. And then this side is like one zero.
Mushoni ameshona. Hebu geuka tukuone. Uko smart. You're proud of your work? Good job.
Thank you.
Good job. Yeah. You are ready to fix another one for Shosho?